The secret to conquering cancer, alkalizing your body and fighting with nutrition. Cancer. It's a word that strikes fear into the hearts of many. It's one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and despite significant advances in medical science, its prevalence continues to rise. However, what if the key to preventing and even reversing cancer is not just in pharmaceutical treatments, but in altering the internal environment of our bodies? Research suggests that cancer thrives under certain conditions, but by changing the body's environment, specifically, by making it more alkaline, oxygen-rich, and low in glucose, we may be able to make it more difficult for cancer to survive. In this video, we'll dive deep into how cancer grows, the conditions it thrives in, and how you can use nutrition and lifestyle changes to help your body fight back. Get ready to learn how small changes to your diet and daily routine could have a profound effect on your health, and possibly help you conquer cancer or prevent it from forming in the first place. Understanding cancer. What does it really need to thrive? Before we dive into how to fight cancer naturally, let's first understand what cancer really is. Cancer, contrary to popular belief, is not just a result of faulty genes. While genetics might load the gun, it's lifestyle that pulls the trigger. Simply put, cancer is a disease of abnormal cells that grow uncontrollably, often forming tumors. It's not caused by a single factor, but rather by a combination of environmental, dietary, and genetic influences. Now, here's the important part. Cancer thrives in an acidic, low-oxygen environment. It loves sugar and it thrives when oxygen is scarce. When the body's tissues become more acidic, they create a perfect breeding ground for cancerous cells. And the more glucose, sugar, cancer cells consume, the faster they grow and multiply. This means that by changing the conditions inside your body, you can make it more difficult for cancer to survive. Let's take a closer look at the three factors that cancer loves and how they play a crucial role in its growth. Acidity. Cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. Our modern diets, filled with processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, often lead to an acidic body, providing the perfect environment for cancer to develop. Lack of oxygen. Cancer cells tend to grow in low-oxygen environments. Without sufficient oxygen, normal cells can't perform their jobs efficiently, while cancer cells seem to thrive, using fermentation to generate energy in the absence of oxygen. Sugar. Cancer cells consume glucose at an astounding rate, up to 15 times more than normal cells. This sugar gives them the energy they need to multiply and spread throughout the body. These three conditions, acidity, lack of oxygen, and excessive sugar, are the perfect storm that allows cancer to develop. But, as we'll see, there's hope in changing the environment in which cancer cells thrive. The three pillars of cancer prevention. If cancer loves sugar, acidity, and a lack of oxygen, it stands to reason that we can weaken it by creating an internal environment that opposes these factors. Let's explore the three pillars of cancer prevention. Alkalizing your body. By eating an alkaline diet, you can help shift the pH of your body away from an acidic state. Alkaline foods, such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and other plant-based foods, help balance your body's pH, making it more difficult for cancer to survive. Increasing oxygen levels. Cancer cells hate oxygen. By engaging in deep breathing exercises and practices like aerobic exercise, you can increase the oxygen levels in your body. Some alternative health practitioners even use hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which involves breathing in pure oxygen under pressure, to oxygenate the body and weaken cancerous cells. Minimizing sugar intake. Since cancer cells rely heavily on glucose for energy, reducing your intake of refined sugars can help starve the cancer cells. A diet low in sugar, especially refined sugars found in processed foods, can limit the fuel available for cancer cells to grow. Fungal infections in cancer. A surprising connection. You might be surprised to learn that some researchers believe cancer may have a fungal component. Dr. Tullio Simoncini, an Italian oncologist, proposed that fungal infections could contribute to cancer growth. His theory, although controversial, highlights the role of fungi in weakening the body's defenses, creating a breeding ground for cancer cells to thrive. According to Dr. Simoncini, tumors produce an acidic shield around themselves to protect against the immune system. By breaking down this acidic shield, we may be able to weaken cancer's defenses. So, how do we break this shield? By alkalizing the body, of course. The role of sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, in cancer treatment. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, has gained attention as a potential treatment for cancer due to its alkalizing effects. Dr. Simoncini advocated for the use of sodium bicarbonate to neutralize the acidity surrounding tumors. He even used it as an injection to alkalize the body and weaken cancer cells. When we consume baking soda, it helps to raise the pH of our body and neutralize excess acidity. This can help create an environment where cancer cells cannot survive. However, it's important to note that sodium bicarbonate should be used cautiously and under the supervision of a healthcare professional, especially when it comes to high-dose applications. At our retreat, we use sodium bicarbonate wraps, which involve soaking towels in a hot water and sodium bicarbonate solution and wrapping them around the body. This external alkalization method can help balance the pH levels of the skin and potentially provide an added boost in cancer prevention and recovery. What does a cancer-fighting diet look like? If you want to give your body the best chance of fighting cancer, it all starts with what you eat. A cancer-fighting diet is one that focuses on reducing sugar, increasing alkaline foods, and ensuring the body gets the nutrients it needs to heal and function optimally. Here are some key components of a cancer-fighting diet. 1. Vegetables. Vegetables are the cornerstone of any cancer prevention diet. 1. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower, and colorful vegetables provide powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support your immune system and reduce inflammation. 2. Plant-based proteins. Animal proteins can be acidic and may contribute to inflammation. 2. Plant-based proteins, such as legumes, nuts, and seeds, offer high-quality protein without the added acidity. 3. Alkaline water. Staying hydrated with alkaline water can further support your body's ability to neutralize acidity and maintain optimal cellular function. 4. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts. 4. These fats support your body's overall health and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. 5. Limit sugar. As we've discussed, sugar feeds cancer cells. 5. By cutting out refined sugars and processed foods, you can starve cancer cells and limit their ability to grow. 5. Instead, focus on whole foods that are naturally low in sugar. The power of oxygen. Oxygenating your body. Cancer cells thrive in environments with low oxygen, but we can counteract this by improving the oxygen levels in our bodies. Oxygen is essential for the proper functioning of our cells, and cancer cells are much less likely to survive in an oxygen-rich environment. Incorporating regular aerobic exercise, deep breathing techniques, and even hyperbaric oxygen therapy, in some cases, can help improve oxygen delivery throughout the body, creating an environment that is hostile to cancer growth. Cancer treatment. Conventional versus alternative approaches. While conventional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation have their place in cancer treatment, they come with significant side effects, including damage to healthy cells. A holistic approach, on the other hand, focuses on creating an environment where cancer cells cannot survive, allowing the body to heal itself naturally. By adopting an alkaline diet, increasing oxygen levels, and minimizing sugar intake, you can support your body's natural healing process. Moreover, using natural remedies like sodium bicarbonate wraps, lemon water, and other alkaline boosters may complement your treatment plan and enhance your body's ability to fight cancer. Empowering your body to fight cancer. Cancer prevention and recovery are closely tied to the environment inside our bodies. By making simple changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can create an internal environment that is inhospitable to cancer. Focusing on an alkaline diet, increasing oxygen levels, and minimizing sugar intake are powerful strategies to help the body fight cancer and prevent it from taking root in the first place. The body is incredibly resilient and capable of healing itself when given the right conditions. By adopting a proactive approach and supporting your body's natural defenses, you may be able to reduce your risk of cancer and improve your overall health and wellness. Remember, it's not just about avoiding cancer, it's about creating a life where your body can thrive, heal, and live in optimal health. Start making these changes today, and give your body the best chance to fight and conquer cancer for good. If you're ready to take charge of your health, start implementing these changes into your daily life.